This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Reddit anonymously, full guide. Start by creating a throwaway account without personal email or phone, then enable two-step only with anonymous apps if needed. Use private browsing, clear cookies, and separate browser profiles for different identities. Consider a VPN and privacy-focused browser to mask your IP. Always review subreddit rules and your post history before sharing sensitive content to reduce de-anonymization risk. When setting up an anonymous Reddit account, pick a username that reveals nothing about you and avoid reused handles. Register using a burner email or secure alias service and skip phone verification when possible. Use an authenticator app that doesn't tie to your identity for two-factor. Keep account recovery options minimal and separate between identities to prevent accidental linking across profiles and platforms. To browse Reddit safely and reduce tracking, connect through a reputable VPN and choose a privacy-oriented browser. Use private browsing for sensitive interactions and clear site data regularly to drop trackers and cookies. Refrain from posting photos or details that could identify you and avoid sharing location timestamps. Treat each subreddit like a public forum and assume screenshots can be shared beyond your control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.